Hello, 4th graders. Welcome to Lesson 2.2, Comparison Problems. Please pause to write the lesson number and title in your notebook. Today's objective is I can solve problems involving multiplication and addition comparison. Please pause to write the lesson objective in your notebook. Let's read our Unlock the Problem together. Evan's dog weighs 7 times as much as Oksana's dog. Together, the dogs weigh 72 pounds. How much does Evan's dog weigh? Well, we're going to use a multiplication model to solve this problem, sort of like we did yesterday. So, let's draw a model and represent n as what we don't know. Well, we don't know how much each of the dogs weigh, so let's fill in all of these boxes with n, because we don't know how much they weigh. But we do know how much they weigh together. It told us that they weigh 72 pounds together. All right, now we're going to write 8 times n, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes up above. 7 for Evan and 1 for Oksana. So there are 8 boxes times the n we don't know. But we do know that that equals 72. Now, think in our brain, 8 times what equals 72? 8 times 9 equals 72. So that means that the value of each box is 9. And because Oksana only has 1 box, it means that Oksana's dog weighs 9 pounds. So n is how much Oksana's dog weighs. Okay, now we know that Oksana's dog weighs 9 pounds because she only has 1 box, but Evan's dog has 7 boxes. So we need to find out if there are 7 boxes and each one is worth 9, how much does Evan's dog weigh? 7 times 9 equals 63. So Evan's dog weighs 63 pounds. So we're comparing Oksana's dog and Evan's dog. Which dog weighs more? Well, that looks like it would be Evan's dog. Alright, we're going to keep looking at Evan's dog and Oksana's dog. But this time, instead of multiplying, we're going to use addition or subtraction. So it says at the top, to find how many times as much, we use the multiplication model. To find how many more or how many fewer, we use addition or subtraction. So Evan's dog weighs 63 pounds. Oksana's dog weighs 9 pounds. Here's our question. How much more does Evan's dog weigh than Oksana's dog? So we're going to make a model to represent these numbers. So our first dog is Evan. And we know that Evan's dog weighs 63 pounds. Then our next dog is Oksana. And Oksana's dog weighs 9 pounds. And we want to know what this is, what the difference is. And we're going to call that n, because we don't know what it is. So in order to find the difference, we're going to subtract. So 63, Evan's dog, minus 9 for Oksana's dog, equals n, equals the difference. 63 minus 9 is 54. We can do the math to the side to check. Let's do that. 63 minus 9. I can't take away 9 from 3, so I have to borrow. 9 minus 13 is 4. And I bring back down the 5, so I get 54. So the value of n is 54. So n is how much more Evan's dog weighs. And we know now, after subtracting, that Evan's dog weighs 54 more pounds than Oksana's dog. We will continue practicing this tomorrow in class. You're almost finished. Go back to your teacher's website and complete the exit slip. See you tomorrow.